Hi guys, this is Isa from PrintStick in another video, and this time I want to show you this sticker book which is all about food items. So this is the first page of the book, and this time it comes in a different format. You don't have your regular cover pages and your binder rings, etc. This time it's as if they were different cards that let you know which section is which. So it's pretty cool because each of these icons will take you to a different section. So for example, if I click on the cupcake here, it's gonna bring me to the cake or dessert page. Now to go back to my index, I click on this top right corner button and that will take me back to index. On the bottom left side of the page, you have this link that will take you to my shop. You have links to all of my social media, as well as this other cute shop with a lot of digital stickers. And at the very bottom, you have a link to join our Facebook group, which if you haven't, I highly recommend you click there and you join. The way you would open any of these links is by selecting your no pen icon and then tapping on the link, clicking yes, and that will open the website. Now going back to the stickers, I will click on each of the sections so you can see everything that's included. So the first one here with the egg, that's actually the breakfast section. So it includes egg, bacon, and toast with kawaii faces or not. Next section, you have fruits and vegetables. The stickers on this area, these fruits are actually transparent, so it has like a cute effect if you put it on top of other things. And this is actually clip art from my shop. So all of the printables that I had related to food, I took out each of the clip art and turned them into digital stickers. These are great quality, so if you select one and resize it, you can make it pretty big and the quality will stay really good. Next category, we have Mexican traditional food. So you have your corn over here, traditional plates, tamale here, hot chocolate, etc. Next, we have these cute meal planner boxes. And these are actually really helpful. You can start creating your menu. For example, you can plan ahead all of your meals. You can write here what you're having for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. When you're done, you can copy the whole thing and paste it on the pages of your planner. You can resize and position whatever you want. Of course, the best course of action might be to first copy the sticker and paste it, and once it's in your planner, you can fill it out, all right? So the next section is desserts, which you saw already. You have some cakes, you have some cupcakes with a candle. So all of these could work to mark anniversaries or birthdays, etc. You also have donuts, of course, pan dulce and conchitas down here, and more cupcakes in different colors and shapes. The next category, it's kind of miscellaneous. So you have these grocery bags, which are really cute. You can mark your trip to the grocery store on your planner, but you also have these lists over here. So if you only have to pick up a few things, you can just write here what you need. Same thing, you would lasso the sticker, copy it, and paste it on your planner. You also have some cute barbecue or grilling stickers, some plates, some trays, your chopsticks. These ones that again mark your grocery trips or your meals with simple icons in different colors. And here you have other little coffee beans and wheat. Next section, we have fast food. So you have burger, hot dog, pizza, french fries, and popcorn. Next section, you have cold drinks. So you have your water. These ones could work to track your water intake. You can copy this bottle and then fill it out with your pencil to mark how much water you've had in the day. And actually these ones down here work the same way. These ones are even easier because each one of these slots can represent a glass of water. So, you know, it's recommended to have 8 at least, so you can just mark up how many you've had during the day. You have some water jugs down here. You also have some pitchers with juice. Then here you have your smoothies in different colors. You have your soft drinks or soda, and you have your alcoholic section with beer, wine, mojitos, and champagne. The next section, you have your takeout. So this is a bunch of different bags. You have your Chinese takeout with the chopsticks here, and you just have all these boxes in different colors, which I find super cute. You can also mark or remind you of preparing lunch bags for your children or your husband or yourself. The next section is for hot drinks. So you have a bunch of different coffee cups or teacups in different colors. And the last section here where it says add your own, it's actually a blank section. So if you tap there, you can add your very own stickers. I'm actually gonna link down below a tutorial on how to create your very own stickers using Vectornator, so I'm gonna link that down below so you can start creating your own stickers and add them to this page. Of course, you can copy this page and create more pages, so when you swipe right, you would have more pages to add even more stickers. Then, if you want to either add an icon here or a different label, you just have to select it with your lasso tool, and this is actually a sticker that you can delete, and you can write your own title, or you can use one of your icons if you want. Yeah, so this is it, guys. This is everything that's included in this super cute food sticker book, which you can find with the link that I'm gonna leave in the description. Make sure to check it out, and of course, if you have any questions at all, just drop me a message and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications to be notified whenever I upload a new planning video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.